Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is queue. Queues in Salesforce prioritize, distribute and assign records for teams who share workloads. Group of users under one name and can be owner of record. When a group of users want to share the workload effectively and work with them, we create the user as queue. Initially the record is assigned to the queue, then the member of the queue will convert the record on his name and work. Steps to create queue: setup, administration, users, queues, new. Step 1, enter name. Step 2, choose object. Step 3, choose queue members from the available members, public groups, rules and subordinates, users. Step 4, save. So let's see an example. Create a queue by the name queue demo and choose the objects candidate and position. So to do the assignment, just log into our Salesforce account and for the navigation, just refer to our PPT. So setup, administration, users, expand this, queues. Queue allows group of users to manage a shared workload more effectively. Click new, provide here the name. So here I had provided the queue label queue demo and queue name is automatically populated. Here queue email is not mandatory. Supported objects. Select the objects you want to assign to this queue. Individual records for those objects can then be owned by this queue. So here I am going to add candidate and position. Click add. Queue members. To add members to this queue, select a type of member, then choose the group. So here public group is there. So just now we had created our group, public group demo, and all the internal users. So two groups are there, rules and subordinates, users. So Salesforce Network and usery we had created. So for this I am going to assign this queue to this public group demo. Click add and just save. So like this we are creating queues. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.